Hey guys, I'm back with another interesting video. This is the Blitzwolf BW-SLT2 bar light for your monitor. This is a pretty interesting device which is both a direct light and your ambient backlight source. Let me quickly run the specs here for your device, but before we start, please consider subscribing to this channel. It really helps. So it comes in this minimal white box with the model number of the product on the front and green accents on the side, typical for a Blitzwolf package. Here are the key specs written on the package. So you are getting your user manual, warranty card, a black box which contains the USB Type-C cable, and finally the device itself. The build quality is quite nice actually, cold on touch and completely made of metal. You get your multifunction stepless motor on the right with golden accent. It can be used to change modes and adjust the intensity of light, which I will show later in this video. The front contains a series of 80 LED units and there are 28 units on the back for your ambient light. This SL2 has a damping bracket style clamp which helps it to sit on top of your monitor. Right at the center is your Type-C port for power input. Let me quickly demonstrate the modes of light available. Tap the switch once to turn on off the lamp. Double click on the switch to turn on ambient light. Double click on the switch again to switch the ambient light effect. There are actually two kinds of light effects which you can cycle through. Long press the switch to adjust color temperature from 2900K to 6000K. That is, it goes from cooler tone to warmer tone, and again keep it pressed to go back from your warmer tone to cooler tone. You can set anything in between as per your preference and lighting conditions. I actually prefer it being on above 5000K because that way the eyes are not strained too much when you are working at night. Rotate the switch to adjust your brightness as per your wish. Let me know if you liked this video. Pricing and links will be available in the description as usual. This is Avik signing off. Have a good day.